Amazon Flex app. Issues usually come from server sync problems, outdated app versions, bad GPS accuracy, or login sessions that break after background updates on your phone. By the end, you'll know exactly why the Amazon Flex app stops working, how to fix loading or login issues, and what steps actually restore access without wasting time reinstalling everything first. Start with the quickest fix. Close the Amazon Flex app completely, instead of leaving it running in the background. Then reopen it to force a fresh connection to Amazon's servers. This fixes a large number of cases where the app is stuck loading or not updating offers. Next, check your internet connection the right way. Amazon Flex is sensitive to unstable data, even if other apps work fine. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data, and try again. If the app suddenly starts working on one network, the issue is your connection routing, not Amazon Flex itself. Now check if Amazon Flex servers are down. Search Amazon Flex status, or check a downtime tracker. If there's a spike in reports, the app will keep failing no matter what you do on your phone. In that case, the only fix is waiting for service recovery. If the app opens but you can't log in, the problem is usually session-related. Log out completely if possible and sign back in. This refreshes your authentication token, which often breaks after app updates or long idle periods. Next fix is GPS and location permissions. Amazon Flex needs precise location access to load offers and confirm routes. If location is set to approximate or disabled, the app may freeze or show no available blocks. Turn location to always allow, and make sure high accuracy mode is enabled. Now check your app version. Open the App Store or Google Play Store and search Amazon Flex. Install any pending updates immediately because outdated versions often stop syncing with Amazon's backend system. If nothing changes, clear the app cache on Android or reinstall the app on iPhone. This removes corrupted local data that can block login screens or prevent offers from loading. Here's the key takeaway. Most Amazon Flex app problems come from connection issues, broken login sessions, outdated versions, or location permission errors. Fixing those 4 areas restores normal app behavior in most cases without needing support. Next step is simple. Restart the app, switch your internet connection, and verify location permissions before doing a full reinstall. If this helped, subscribe for more clear fixes for gig apps and delivery platforms without complicated troubleshooting.